Totem Automobili, an icon of bespoke automotive craftsmanship, proudly unveiled the number 07/40 GT Super, known as Hestia. This premier gathering brought together visionaries and next-generation leaders for 2 days of innovation and inspiration. Hestia is the 7th car in Totem Automobili's special series, a masterpiece blending extraordinary performance with unparalleled luxury and design. Under the hood, Hestia is powered by a 2.8-liter twin-turbo engine developed by Italtecnica exclusively for Totem Automobili. This powerhouse delivers up to 640 horsepower, ensuring a thrilling driving experience. The 6-speed manual transmission with an open-gate shifter pays homage to traditional automotive craftsmanship, while enhancing the connection between driver and machine. Moving outside that elegantly enhanced body shape is complemented by LED lighting for the trademark quad headlamps, racing-style door mirrors, quadrifoglio badges, and a set of GTA-inspired 18-inch alloy wheels. The car's exterior is painted in a triple-layer metallic red, a striking shade that highlights its sleek, modern lines. The interior, designed for ultimate refinement, features extended black Nappa leather complemented by custom-made fabric inserts, crafted exclusively to match the bespoke layout. The vehicle also boasts extensive visible carbon fiber, showcasing an intricate diamond pattern weave that shifts dynamically depending on the viewing angle, creating a captivating visual effect. The name Hestia reflects the personal vision of its US-based owner, who chose the moniker to represent warmth, beauty, and tradition. The car's finishing touch is a matte carbon fiber trim painted in a satin nickel tint, seamlessly integrating modern sophistication with timeless elegance.